Snotty boy production. I don't fuck with that. Yeah.
It is that lifestyle.
Snap in my headphones. You hear me? Yeah. Fuck some BBs, I got French Canary. Fuck your bitch, but that hoe scary. Front of the block, man, pop a cherry. Catch a fucking optimist, Uncle Larry. No talking, nigga, no lacking. No talking, nigga, no lacking. Fuck the words, I need some action, nigga, no talk when they play for blasting. Click, clack, I click, clack. Snub sneeze, I'm finna blessing. Jiggers, I forgot what happened. Nigga know I'm really blasting. Gordy know I'm about it. Nigga wanna get about it. Niggas know I'm really in that field and I'm doing right. Snotty boy gangster. Them non-masons banging. Ain't no fucking talking bums, pick up your casings. Niggas really bitches, boy, we into taking faces. Bad face, no mask, I done been on type of places. I don't give a fuck cause we don't fuck with no rapists. Fucking with them fuck arounds, we kill you cause you racist. I don't give a fuck cause we counting our cake up. Fucking on your bitch, I told that hoe she don't need no makeup. Bitch, I'm from the block, I keep a dirty fool. If a nigga talking stupid, treat him like a fool. Treat him like a fool. That's a brain fart. Catch a fucking knocked-out, let it pop, knock him out his cart. But you in the dark, and these niggas narcs. Bad face, no fucking mask, this nigga look like Marge. I don't really give a fuck, nigga, play your part. My body's really outside, you in the dark. Dirty ass K with the 50 shot. All these niggas bitches think they Tupac. Wody was Scotty died from 2 shots. All these niggas bitches catch a headshot. Wody get the pop and keep them red dots. Niggas really bitches catch a face shot. Niggas claim that they ain't on a thing though. Pull up to your block and let it flame, bro. Yeah, I keep it dirty too. Yeah, I keep it dirty, man. Yeah, I pull up to your block. These niggas steady calling cops. These niggas steady calling cops. Shoot him in his eye, now you Fetty Wap.